Hello, my beautiful royal queens. Today's video is all about helping you achieve an elegant and captivating look with jeans. Once seen as casual wear, jeans have now become a wardrobe essential for women who adore sophistication and aspire to exude the refinement of high society. In this video, we'll explore how to elevate your denim game and create stunning, polished outfits suitable for any occasion. While jeans are known for their versatility, they can sometimes feel too casual. However, with the right styling techniques, you can transform your jeans into elegant and luxurious staples that radiate confidence and charm. Get ready to discover styling tips and ideas that will elevate your appearance and suit a variety of occasions, whether casual outings, semi-formal gatherings, or even professional settings. Let's unlock the true potential of denim together. Before we begin, we need to identify the mistakes or habits that can make jeans look unpolished and inappropriate. If you want to achieve a refined look that reflects the elegance of high society ladies, you should avoid wearing jeans in the following ways. 1. Ripped jeans. These create a casual look that doesn't align with elegant styles. 2. Short jeans. They can appear less cohesive and lack a sophisticated vibe. 3. Rolling up the hem of jeans. This can take away from the polished and neat appearance. By avoiding these 3 mistakes, you'll be on the first step toward achieving elegance. Now, let's explore how to style jeans in different cuts and pair them with the right pieces for every look. Are you ready to get started, my dear? Key elements for achieving an elegant look with jeans. 1. Choose the right jeans. Opt for high-quality denim with a perfect fit. Dark washes like black or indigo create a polished appearance. Select a style that complements your body shape, e.g., skinny, straight leg, or boot cut. 2. Pair jeans with elevated tops. Combine jeans with button-down shirts, silk blouses, or cashmere sweaters. Add a tailored blazer or a structured jacket for a formal touch. 3. Accessorize carefully. Use timeless accessories like statement jewelry, chic belts, or stylish handbags. Heels can elongate legs and add glamour. 4. Pay attention to details. Keep your jeans wrinkle-free and well-pressed. Style your shirt neatly, tucked or untucked with a belt. Maintain polished hair and makeup for a refined finish. 5. Confidence is key. Wear your jeans with confidence, grace, and poise. Additional tips. Experiment with textures and patterns to enhance your style. Mix and match colors and styles creatively. Tailor your jeans for a flawless fit. By following these tips, you can effortlessly elevate your look and create sophisticated outfits perfect for any occasion. Jeans are a wardrobe staple that can be styled in various ways to create many different looks. Always remember that elegance starts from within, as your confidence is what brings beauty to any outfit. Don't hesitate to try new ideas and showcase your creativity when pairing jeans with your favorite pieces. Fashion is a reflection of your personality and unique style. I hope these tips have inspired you to feel confident and radiant while wearing jeans. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression, so make it fun and uniquely yours. In the next video, I'll share tips on how to choose the perfect pair of jeans for your body shape. Stay tuned for more tailored advice. With a little creativity and thoughtful styling, you can transform jeans into an elegant piece suitable for all occasions. Share your experiences and ideas for styling jeans elegantly in the comments. And always remember, a stunning look begins with a simple step. Get ready to captivate everyone with your dazzling and standout outfits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. See you soon with more inspiring topics.